The thing I have been waiting for past couple of months has finally happened in crude oil, and also silver has just made a new recent high. Well, what is happening in the crude oil market, I will be discussing each and everything, also my analysis, and am I entering in any new long and short trade or not. I will discuss everything in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. Starting off with crude oil over here, I am on the crude oil's daily time frame chart, and if you are watching my previous videos dedicated to commodities, you already know that I was saying the same thing again and again and again, that if the price of crude oil crosses $65 or reaches $65 or goes above this price, then only I will make sure to enter in a long or a short position in crude oil, or else I will not. Why? See, whenever the price of crude oil was above $65 in the past, as you can clearly see, this is the $65 mark. For reference, this gray area that you see, this is the $65 mark. So earlier the price of crude oil was above it, so I was trading very well, and most of the trades were win. But then obviously the price of crude oil dumped towards the downside because of the President of United States announcing tariff on the whole world, and crude oil become uncertain. After that we saw a huge dump in just 3 to 4 days. And see, I believe that when the price of crude oil dropped below $65 level mark, why I am focusing on $65 is that if I zoom out, you can clearly see in the past, this gray area, this $65 mark is a very important support for crude oil, and crude oil never dumped towards the downside below the $65 mark. Okay, as you can clearly see here also, price did came near 65 and then pumped. Here also it pumped, and most of the times it pumped from above only without coming to this gray important area of $65. Here also as you can see, here also as you can see. But when the price of crude oil on 3rd and 4th April dumped towards the downside below the $65 gray zone right over here, because of uncertainty, because of macroeconomic event happening around the world. So for me, I did not take any trade in crude oil because I thought that the price of crude oil is uncertain as of now. This was the level that I took as a benchmark for uncertainty, and in my videos I told you all that I will personally only enter in any long and short trade on crude oil if the price of the oil goes above $65 mark. Why? Because I personally feel like if it is below 65, then the price of crude is just uncertain. And recently, as you can see, in the past couple of days, on last Friday also, the price of crude is pumping towards the upside, and as of now the price is 65.35. This means now I will enter in a long and short position on crude oil if I find a good setup. Obviously I won't enter in a short position here, or maybe a long position, it is risky. I'll still wait for the price of crude to form some good setup. When I find some conviction in my setup, then only I will take a trade. But now obviously I will be updating myself regularly with the price of crude oil, and yeah, this is the main thing that I wanted to share with you guys, that why this $65 mark was very important for me, and the price of crude right now is at $65 and above it, meaning that it is no longer uncertain according to me. Obviously, like, it is less uncertain as it was over here. So let's just wait for the price of crude oil to show some good trades, and then only I will enter. And don't copy trade me. And right over here I'm on silver's chart, and as you can clearly see on silver, on Monday 2nd of June we saw a huge pump towards the upside in silver, reaching $34, and now it is at $36. So the price of silver is just pumping and pumping towards the upside. Well, I mean, I'll be really honest, this pump has nothing to do with technical analysis or price action. According to me, it is just fundamental analysis pump, mostly fundamental analysis, because obviously some technical analysis did play it out. But the main thing here is that the price of silver pumped towards the upside, and the price of gold did not pump towards the upside at all. Even it pumped a little bit, but again dumped towards the downside. So this shows us that there is a very, I would say, major impact of a fundamental analysis or a macroeconomic news or some event that triggered this pump towards the upside in silver. Maybe some obscure reason as well, but when I saw the news, the main thing was because of tariffs and because of other main things, that there will be tariff and there will be some taxes on gold but not on silver, and basically the news was biased on silver and not on gold, and that's why the price of silver skyrocketed and reached $36, whereas gold is still right now sideways market, and nothing much in gold as of now. And to be honest, I expect a dump in the price of gold, because I've shared this dozens of times that the price of gold is just pumping towards the upside diabolically, and whenever these type of pumps happen, there has to be a dump as well. So let's see what happens. Currently I'm not seeing any strong reversal signs or any strong setups that act as a confluence that give me any signal to go short or go long, and right now the price of gold is sideways only, so I will personally be avoiding gold and silver as of now. Finally, the price of crude reached above $65, meaning that I feel that now crude is a less uncertain than it was before, and maybe I will enter in a long position or a short position soon on crude oil if I find a good analysis. But as of now, I'll just wait for a few days and weeks so that I can see a good price action, a good setup forming on crude oil. Talking about silver, I don't feel like entering in any trade as of now. Entering in a long position in silver is very risky, and entering in a short position as of now is obviously very risky, because I saw a pump towards the upside in silver because of a macroeconomic news, but a dump towards the downside because of same macroeconomic news, I don't think it will happen. And the price of silver can only dump if the price of gold dumps, which I am predicting will happen soon. So if the price of silver comes near an important level of resistance and I find a good entry or a good setup to go short, then I will definitely go short on silver and gold as well. But as of now, I'm just avoiding both of these commodities and not taking any trade. And for the past couple of weeks and months, I'm making videos on commodity, but I'm not entering in any trade, because the main reason is that I'm a swing trader and I mostly trade on daily time frame, and the trades that I take run for a couple of weeks and months, so it takes time to form candles on the chart. It takes time span of days and weeks or maybe months so that the candles can be printed on the chart, on the daily time frame chart, and then I enter in a long position or a short position. If you watch my previous crude oil videos where I took couple of trades, at that time the price of oil was volatile, I would say, or maybe it was trapped in a sideways market, so it was easy to trade and less uncertain. So right now also it is above $65, and I expect that I maybe find some good entries soon on crude. Let's see. And this is it for now. This is my analysis. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.